The Marzi and Costa Show!
And hands too!
Yeah! What are we making today, Marzi?
Well, we're gonna do my take on shepherd's pie.
Oh, yeah.
Well, don't get too excited. I modified it, but it's still tasty.
Yeah, I always like your shepherd's pie.
And it is easy.
Yes, easy. Simple.
All about the lazy meals.
Yeah, I like being lazy.
Okay, so in my version, I add a little bit of onion for flavor.
Okay.
Chop up that onion, hands, please.
Yeah, come on, hands, chop it up.
Chop, 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 chop.
That was good.
So I use one big skillet. It's about 12 inches. So I throw the onion in the pan and I cook it with the ground beef. I use the fat from the ground beef as the cooking fat.
Yeah, that makes it easier. Just how I like it.
Yeah.
Lazy.
Lazy. This doesn't require the oven. Good job, hands.
I see the ground beef.
Yeah, cook it on up. Okay, so once the ground beef is cooked,
Yeah.
and the onions are cooked, but they'll get cooked a little more, we add in, instead of corn, I like to use a different vegetable. And you can get creative. Right now, we're using frozen green beans.
Oh, okay.
To make it easier.
Green beans.
Depending on the size of the package, like these are 10-ounce packages, so I use 2. But wait, you maybe could find a package of 16 ounces. That'd be good. But you know I love vegetables!
Yeah, oh
Yay!
yeah. Oh, I know you do. You're obsessed. You know what? We should probably ask the professor where the green beans are made.
That's a good idea. Professor?
Professor, where are green beans made?
Green beans, you say? It is from Central and South America. It is good for the health, especially for inflammation. Yeah, you don't want inflammation, Phineas. It's bad for you, Phineas. Hard on the joint. And yes, it has folate and potassium, which helps regulate the blood pressure. Okay, that is all. Hey, sir.
Thank you, Professor. That's very interesting.
Yeah. So you maybe want to stick the lid on the pan to cook them faster.
Yeah.
That's another tip.
Yeah. Hands, put the lid on.
There's no lid out here. We forgot it.
Oh, no.
So you saute
Yeah.
until it's cooked.
Okay.
What's great about this meal is you can get creative. You don't have to use ground beef. You could use ground turkey or ground pork if you wanted. And you can add whatever seasonings you want. I like to add salt at the end because salt taste is individual. Costa!
I'm coming.
It's almost ready! Yay!
All right, it's almost done. Good.
Yeah.
Looking delicious.
So the way I do it is I scoop. Well, yeah, you could do that. Well, yeah, because Hans knows that we're doing lazy shepherd's pie.
Lazy shepherd's pie.
So she's putting this mixture on the plate first with the potatoes on top.
Hey, Marzi, if this is lazy shepherd's pie, Is it not a good meal for the overachievers?
Oh my God. Costa.
Get it?
Yeah.
Because the overachievers are lazy.
So we made the mashed potatoes ahead of time, and we cheated. You could use real potatoes, but instead I used Bob Red Mill potato flakes.
Yeah, and I do like them a lot.
And I used coconut oil instead of butter, and almond milk instead of dairy.
Hey,
when I
Marzi.
make 'em.
Take a peek at that!
Yeah, looks pretty yummy.
I can't wait.
Looks like slop.
It does. When they said shepherd's pie, did they mean German shepherds?
You mean like the dog?
Right.
That's funny.
Thanks, Hands.
Thanks, Hands. Okay. Well, thank you, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this delicious meal.
Yeah, oh yeah, by the way, Bob's Red Mill did not pay us to endorse their product.
No, they didn't.
We just like it.
I mean, we will be, helping them out if they wanted us to be sponsors.
We don't have any sponsors.
Yeah, I know. One day.
Maybe.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.